to the stream, everyone. Yesterday we were able to launch on the App Store, and here what you're seeing is the first day of data that we're getting back from Apple. And this is not up to date. I've already checked the database. We do have more downloads than this, and we have more accounts created, but this is for the first few hours from yesterday. So I think it launched at like midday yesterday, maybe around 4 p.m. Eastern time. But let me make sure that the stream settings are all good, and then we've got a lot planned tonight. We got a lot on our plate. We're going to be doing we're going to be reviewing some of the data, and then we're also going to be thinking about our marketing strategy, doing some vibe coding, the usual. All right, I just updated some stream settings. Gonna head over to the Discord. J35, what's up? Zalcan, what's up? Doing good today, how are you? J35, good to see you. Thanks again for your work last night. I know you didn't get the Bitcoin, but you found a lot of stuff. Here's what we're looking at data-wise for the app. Zalcan, what's up? Basically, you can see we had 18 downloads, but when I pull it up in the local database, we have much more. Let me pull up PG Admin real quick. We're gonna be streaming for a while tonight, so if you're just joining us, make sure you like the stream. Gonna get, I think yesterday was our best stream ever. And that's all thanks to you guys. So I think tonight we can do even better. So make sure you like the stream. Maybe we can break 100 watchers at one time tonight. We'll see. Alright, something I also want to do is I want to check up on our Google Play console here. So here's what we're dealing with Google right now. So I have a fix out to them here. I'm going to check my email, see if they've emailed me. But yeah, that Google suspended our app because of an AI policy issue. J35 said that updated app looking clean. DDG says hi. What's up, DDG? Good to see ya. Can you show the app? Sorry, I can't access it. Rovidex? What's up? We're vibing tonight. I'm gonna toss some headphones in. Find them. One sec. There they are. All right. All right, so Google's rejected the app, but DDG, I think here's just for your information. Here we're in Google Play Console, and you can see that they've suspended the app. And the reason that it was suspended is because we had they have this weird rule, and I'll show it to you guys. Let me get over to our app real quick. Yeah, I want to show you guys basically what this is. So if I pull up the app, all right, so this is basically what they said. If I go over to the GoalPost advisor, what they said the problem is that you need to be able to report AI. Such a random thing. So I just had to create a report route, and then now there's a report button down here where basically you can, basically submit problems. Wait, did that? Uh-oh. Yeah, so you can submit that. And then it supports like sexual content, and then it passes in the content. Thanks, Zalcan. Make sure you guys all like the stream. We're gonna be streaming for a while tonight. So I want to get last stream we broke we had the top watchers that we've had so far. We had 66 watchers, and then the average for the stream was 30. I'm like very data oriented. I think about data a lot, especially with it's the same thing. I think about it when I think of the programming stuff, and then I also think about it a lot because to grow this, we're going to really need to take a look at the data when we start marketing. And that's going to be a big part of this stream. Is we're going to do a lot of talking about marketing in this stream, because we need to think about how we're actually going to market GoalPost now. So we have a website here. I want to actually open up the website. Yeah, Zalcan, Twitch chat is live. It's like I'm using Restream, so what you're able to do is you're able to compile all the streams into one, which is cool. DDG asked, when are you going to start running ads for this app? So I put this in our Discord. I think we were talking about it earlier today. The plan is that we're going to start running ads as soon as we're actually approved on Google Play, which I expect to take about 1 more week. And then in the next week, we're going to be having to basically prepare our marketing strategy as well as getting any bugs worked out. So we're going to be grinding for the next week because there's a ton to do. Pretty much what we just did is we did a soft launch. Let's see. I think this is good over here. So I have a just a very simple website set up, but it needs to be like improved way more. I just barely even did anything with it. I think when you click get started, it like goes to join the GoalPost beta. So we need to update this. And then I created the social medias as well. So here we're going to update the social media links to actually take you to those social medias. Oh yeah, Zalcan, your stock site was looking awesome, dude. What is your marketing plan to this app? We're gonna cover that in this stream. We're not gonna work on it right now for a bit. We're just gonna work on programming the website. DDG asks, have you bought the domain for GoalPost? No, so I do have a domain, but the domain is like kind of like it's a longer domain because the domain for GoalPost costs like 38,000. So I'm not gonna buy that until we got it off the ground. So, but I just grabbed I think it's like GoalPostAI.app. I think it's GoalPostAI.app. So here it is. Yeah, GoalPostAI.app. And then yeah, I'm just running it locally. So I'm gonna say take a deep look at the Time AI website, which is now outdated. I need to grab. Give me 1 second. I'm kind of gonna like simplify browser tabs here. Just want this one. I do want this one for dev. And then we have our Google Play. If you guys are just joining the stream, make sure you like and subscribe. I think early likes in the stream makes it go further. Also, be active in chat. Ask me as many questions as you want. I'll try and answer all of them. All right, here's our data for anybody wondering. Yeah, why is it 38K for a domain? Yeah, it's a lot. I do play chess. DDG. Okay, so here's our data, and something that we have to do is we have to take a look at the app here and grab the public URL for the site. So I'm gonna go over to apps and then click here, and then you go to app information, and then all the way down at the bottom here you can click view on the App Store. I don't actually want to view on the App Store. I just want to grab the link, copy link. There it is. All right, so we copied the link. And then let's just go over to src, go to constants, just create a variables.ts file. And then let's go here. In variables.ts, please create variables that hold the link to the App Store that I've provided. Also provide links to our social media handles for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Nah, it wasn't YouTube. X. It's X. The username for each social media is GoalPost_app. Right. Let's go. Jonathan just said, just download it now. Good progress. Thank you. I'm going to take off the sunglasses because I'm having a hard time actually. We'll put them on later when we're vibing. We're vibing a little bit more. Right now we need to lock in. We got some serious work to do. All right. So DDG said, what ELO? My ELO when I'm like playing actively is like around 1300. But I haven't played in a while. Sad said Apple approved it. Yep, Apple approved it. It's live. The GPT-5 promotional period has ended. All GPT-5 requests will now consume included usage or be billed at API prices. No other action is required. Please resubmit to continue using GPT-5 or switch to the model of your choice. Okay, so just so everybody knows, we are about to get taxed. So if you haven't already liked, my soul belongs to Cursor right now. I'm spending hundreds of dollars on Cursor, and it's all for you guys. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. We're gonna have a crazy stream tonight. Speaking of, somebody's asking about the app. I'm going to put the link to the app in the description. Sorry I didn't do that in the first place. I should have. We'll get it when it finishes this variable file here, actually. What are we doing here? All right, we need a fresh chat. Let's cancel that chat. And then also we do not need that good of a model. We just need this. What the heck? Oh man. there a reason this is not pasting in? All right, we'll just drop in an image. Boom. Workarounds for everything, guys. All right, thanks, Linux. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Believe it or not, I'm training for a triathlon right now. Something to know about me. I work out a decent amount. I exercise a lot. So pretty much my day-to-day, what it looks like is I pretty much just exercise and then I program. And I just put those things on repeat. That's all I do. Exercise and program. All right, I'm gonna put the link to the app in the description. I'm gonna put it like, I'm literally gonna I'm just gonna copy the line of code. This is like a little Easter egg. What do I do for rear delts? I do a lot of swimming, so I do the triathlon training, and that means that like literally, you guys can probably tell, like if you look at my hair is like super spiked up right now, and that's because I just came straight from the gym. I was swimming in the pool, so I get a lot of like back work done from just like swimming. Make sure to use GoalPost to focus while exercising. I'm not even kidding. Like I was actually thinking about it this morning, but then I was like, nah. I was like, I can't be doing that. I was like, because I have an Apple Watch, so you know what I need? I need to get GoalPost on my Apple Watch. But like when I'm working out, I don't want to have like my phone out. You know what I mean? I want to have my Apple Watch. So that's actually a good idea. Maybe we need to get it available on Apple Watch. Maybe that's what we're missing. All right, I'm just updating the description so that anybody that actually, let's just drop it in the chat. I'll just pin it to the chat. So that's actually a good idea. Erica said, I need to update my ChatGPT payment method. Why do you have to update your payment method? DG said, how long have you been going to the gym for? I've been into the gym like pretty much since I was way younger. I had all older siblings and they were really into the gym. So I think I started working out when I was like 13. So I've been working out for like 10 years now. All right, everybody, I just updated the description. Go check the description. I put a little Easter egg in there for you. Straight out of the code base. Rovadex said that he made a new description and to go look in my DMs. All right, like Instagram DMs. I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't see any DMs. Oh, Discord? Oh, wow. Isn't that like the same description that I have now, though? Oh, wait. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I'll try that. Thank you. I just updated it. Let me check it out now. Oh wow, yeah, that looks a lot better. Thank you. Rovidex, thank you. Thank you. Wow. Saad said that 43 megabytes for an Expo app. That's very impressive. All right, let's get into it, guys. We got to lock back in. All right, so what we're doing is we need to work on the website. So I just dropped those in because that's a portion of the thing that we're actually working on is we need the variables. So I'm gonna say the app is now launched on the iOS App Store. So you need to provide the link and let people know that it's available on the App Store and that the Google Play Store is coming soon. Take a look at the footer and update the variables accordingly. And also remove the beta page to get started. The get started page should actually more look like just describing what the app is, what it does, and showing people the links to be able to download on the iOS or the Google Play Store. Take a look at the website, just like make it polished and actually make it way better, and also make it accurate to what the app is actually about. Take a look at the app directory to see what GoalPost does and what its functionality is, and completely rebuild the website. All right, what do you guys think about that one? You think think that'll go well? Let's see. Let's drop it in. We're gonna use GPT-5 high fast. Let's do it. Let's go. If you guys haven't already liked the stream, make sure you like. Yesterday we had like 66 watchers. It was a new record for the channel, and we gained like another 60 or 70 subscribers yesterday. The channel is just blowing up, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you for sharing, liking, commenting, being active in the chat. It's like it's awesome. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's take a look at the website for those of you that have not seen it yet. Sorry, I've been gatekeeping you. Here it is right here. So this is just a Next.js site, and since the app is now launched, we're waiting on a couple things. Something that we have to do for our marketing strategy is we have to make sure that our site is updated. We have a domain, goalpostai.app, and that's the domain that we use to be able to just launch the website as well as the API. We have the API there as well. But yeah, I mean, we just need to update the site to be more accurate. Right now, if you click Get Started, it just takes you to a beta page. So there's just a couple things that we need to fix real quick with the site, but we just passed in like the entire app and told Cursor to just update the website based off of the app. So I passed in the app and I said, hey, take a look at all the app's functionality and just come up with a website for this app. And it has access to the entire code base, so it knows what the app's about. So it can easily update a website probably in one shot. Yo, so this is Apsy. This is Rovidex. He's in our Discord, and I just want to give him a shout out. It's a website that he's a part of, that he's built. Apsy mobile app. Manage your applications, fill forms, and get instant updates on the go. The full Apsy experience now coming to iOS and Android. Manage your applications. The Linux thing said, man, it's hard to believe how much progress has been made in a short time. Road bumps aside, it's a wild proof of concept in AI coding and app DevOps. Yeah, for sure. That's very true. Eye reveal. You guys are getting an eye reveal right now. Okay, so while this is working, so this is going to get updated, and I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about our marketing strategy because I was working on it earlier today. And because I've worked on several other startups, I have some experience in what marketing looks like, and what scalable campaigns look like is always a big thing. So here, I'll just pull this over, and I sent this in the Discord earlier today. For those of you in the Discord, they've already seen this, but pretty much what we're going to do is, this isn't over here, so I'm just going to read the overview to you. Following the finalization of app functionality and acceptance to both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, we will implement a multi-platform, content-driven marketing plan supported by paid ad campaigns. The plan will initially allocate $10 per paid channel, allowing for early user acquisition, performance tracking, and rapid optimization. So the platforms that we're going to be focusing on is going to be Instagram, TikTok, X, and Reddit. All of these, what's very interesting is that when you're going into a field like this and you're thinking about your marketing strategy, something that's very important is that you have to have like an organic marketing campaign alongside your paid marketing campaign. So the timing that we're going into this with is that we're thinking about what the paid campaign is look like, and we also have to think about what the organic campaign is going to look like. And those two things are going to work off of each other. So we have an X account, a Reddit account, a TikTok account, and an Instagram account for GoalPost. And pretty much what we have to do is we have to create posts that are going to capture somebody that's just scrolling on one of these platforms. And sometimes what works is, for example, like videos where it like this is a productivity app and a motivation app, right? So something that will get people interested is there'll be like a hook initially. So you'll have basically like maybe just some stock footage running, right? So you have a stock footage, you build this on Canva, or what we're gonna look at tonight is we're gonna see if we can actually build all of the marketing campaigns with AI. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look out and see if there's any platforms where instead of having to go into Canva and make short form content like all day long to be able to like put out 5 to 10 posts a day on each platform, what we're going to do is we're going to see if there's an AI tool available for us to be able to drop in or prompt it with the formatting that we want and actually be able to build content at scale. So we're going to take a look at that, and then if it doesn't exist, what we're going to do, I was actually thinking about this today. I was out on a run and I was just thinking about it, and what I was thinking about was that if it doesn't exist, then let's just build it. It's like, think about this. All you need is you need to access like some sort of content or video library that is an API. And essentially what you need to do is you need to have an agent or whatever we could build to integrate with the API so it can take a look at the images and search, like, for example, person jumping with jump rope, or like person working out, right? And it's able to find that MP4 footage on the internet somewhere, most likely from an API that we could connect to. And then what it could do is it could actually like crop it and then put a hook in it and then potentially add music. But we have to first look to see if there's anything out there, and I think there is. So we'll see. All right, let's see what chat's doing. If you guys haven't already liked and subscribed, make sure you like and subscribe. The channel's growing fast. We're gonna be streaming for a couple hours tonight because we have a lot to do. I wasn't able to, I was working on some cloud infrastructure today for the BridgeMind as a platform. So if you guys have gone to bridgemind.ai, this is a project that I'm working on currently. And we were working on this the other night while we were waiting for the apps to submit. So you guys have seen some of this. But basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on this, and I had to deploy the cloud infrastructure for this project today. And so I was like deep in the matrix on some cloud formation. But the nice thing is that I have like some really solid templates already that have worked on past cloud deployments. So now that I have one that is like really solid, I just deploy it from different projects. But like some projects you have to customize and change a couple things. So I was taking a look at the security groups, and I had to like change some of my inbound and outbound rules, but it's all good. Jay Byron said, when you are building your app, are you building your own admin dashboard so you can see the users, or is it all being ran through Apple's application services? It's, wait, Apple's application services. I actually don't want to know what that is. What's that? J35 said VO3 does video generation, but I don't know how good it works. Yeah, I don't think, we'll take a look at VO3. I had like the plan for VO. I think I still have it. Oh, I don't have it still? Wait, no, I definitely have Gemini. You're kidding me. I just don't think I'm logged in, right? I mean, this is embarrassing, guys. Sorry. Hold on. Looks like we gotta get the plan. Oh, great. Jay said Apple dashboard for apps you have built. No, I just have like backend services that I like, processes that I have for being able to see and manage everything. All right. Type said VO may be too costly. Well, let's see. All right. So we just upgraded to Pro. It says first thing, generate stunning videos with VO3. Oh, wait, hold up. Our code just finished, so let's check out how that's looking. Just start updated site. Let's see if this works. Did it update? I didn't integrate the update yet, so. All right, so let's go back over here. Wait, where did my try now button go? I wanted to try it. Oh, here it is. All right, so let's try now. All right, describe your video. Okay, so watch this. Here's what we're gonna try. We're not just gonna give it a prompt. We're gonna do this. I have some, let me find out my computer real quick. Hold up. Okay. Oh my gosh, let's go. It's just too easy. All right, so check this out, guys. All right, so right here, I have 6 images. And pretty much what they are is they're just images of the app, right? Like they're the app preview. And what I wanna test is I wanna see if basically we can drop in these images and potentially get like reels, if you get what I mean. Like I want like a TikTok, and I'm gonna drop this in and say like, make me a TikTok that sponsors this app. Come on, what do I look like? A rookie? You can only accept one at a time? No way. Command. What? Command. Wow. Google makes you do them one at a time, it looks like. That's alright. Oh my gosh. Why is Gemini like that? Wait, you can only drop in one image? What? You can only drop in one image. That's crazy. At our app GoalPost, I want you to generate a TikTok for me that has a hook and will be viral. I just said it, make me a viral TikTok. It's like, oh, shoot, let me make you that. All right, this can take up to 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, all right, we'll be back. Let's go check out the website, see how that's looking. Is this not even updating? What's it doing? Hold up. I think there may be a problem over here. We've got a problem, folks. Okay, what the heck happened? Why did that, like... Oh, I'm on Ask. Oh... Rookie mistake, folks. Rookie mistake. If you guys are watching, you haven't already liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe right now. All right, I have now turned on the agent. Please integrate the updates. So Jay said, I use King API. It's only 20 cents per video, but it is 5 seconds long. Okay. All right, where's our... Looks like our video's ready. Hold on, let's see if it'll be viral. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, everybody ready for our TikTok? Viral TikTok here. How can I get this full screen? All right. You guys ready for our viral TikTok here? This is what a viral TikTok looks like. All right. Now we need to turn off the lo-fi. Hold on. We need full immersion in this. All right, you ready? Yeah. You gotta be kidding me. That's our viral TikTok, guys. Let's watch it again. Oh my gosh. Ah, hell nah. Oh my gosh, no. Yeah, I'm good off all that. All right, let's get the lo-fi back on. I mean, I told it to generate me a TikTok that has a hook and will be viral. All right. So I don't think we're using VO, guys, unfortunately. Let's see what updates it's making to this, though. Yeah, it was worth a shot. It was worth a shot. Sad said, yeah, LMAO, that's not even the UI. Yeah, I don't know what it was doing. Alright, I'm feeling vibey. The vibe goggles. Try Genie too? Wait, what's Genie? What's Genie? What's Genie? Is it another model or? Completely rebuild the website, add more pages, also give it a nav bar and more information about the app. All right. Google Genie is a separate thing. Is it better? All right, Google Genie. Google Genie. Oh, Genie, okay. This is August 5th. Genie 3's capabilities. Okay, a new frontier for world models. Oh, for world models. Today we are announcing... When was this released? Was it literally August 5th? Thank you, Google, for the AI overview. They're so smart for doing these AI overviews. I don't even I usually don't even look for links anymore. I just go based off of, like, if I'm asking a question, I just go based off of the AI overview. They did a good job with that. So Mad Boer said, what about security? This thing will get hacked in 5 minutes. Well, why would it get hacked in 5 minutes? Do you know what the code looks like? Do you know what the AWS infrastructure looks like? All right. Is it out? Like, can you actually try it? So this was recently released. Is it, you can't try it? It just says build with Gemini, try with Gemini. What the heck? Try Gemini. Can't try it? Edward, what's up? Yeah, Genie 3 does look cool, but you can't try it. Stream? Talk to Gemini live? Hello, Gemini.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I'm on a live stream right now, and you're talking to Bridgemind, the stream. We're streaming.
Oh, that's interesting. Hello to everyone watching the live stream. How can I assist you today?
All right. So I can share my... It said I could share my screen.
I understand you'd like...
Share entire screen.
You would like to share your screen? Is there something specific you would like to show?
No, just look at it. What do you see?
I see your screen. It looks like you have a code editor open with some code displayed, and there's also a browser window open. What would you like me to look at?
Could you take a look at the website that I'm showing you and give me some feedback on how you think that the UI of it could be improved? Hello?
Hello, I can still hear you.
Okay, I literally cut you off. Can you say that again?
No problem at all. I was just saying that the contrast between the text color and the background could be improved for better readability. Also, the layout could be made more concise to draw attention to the main call to action buttons. Adding a bit more visual interest could also make the page more engaging. Would you like me to elaborate on any of these points?
Yes, I'd like you to elaborate, but I'd also like you to take a more thorough look of the website. So look at the website now. I'm going to show you the whole thing. Like right now, it just doesn't seem very complete, if you get what I'm saying. So could you take a look at it and let me know how you think it should be updated, and be technical, because you're actually talking to another AI that's building it. So
I see. To make the website feel more complete, consider adding a clear How It Works section that provides a step-by-step overview of the app's functionality. Also, including a dedicated section for user testimonials or success stories could build credibility. From a technical standpoint, ensuring the website is responsive and optimized for various devices is crucial. Additionally, implementing lazy loading for images can improve performance. Also, making sure the code is clean, well-structured, and follows best practices for SEO will be beneficial.
all right, let's pass it into Cursor.
Okay, I understand. You want to pass the feedback I provided into Cursor. Please go ahead and do that. I'm ready to provide further guidance based on the feedback within that context.
What do you guys think of this? What do you
All
guys think
right,
of that?
I see the
I just-
suggestions
wait,
in the
how do I turn
editor.
it off? Shut up. Wait.
It looks like you're planning to add a How It Works section and improve image optimization. Let me know if you need any further assistance with.
I'm good. I don't need any more assistance. I just wanted to test that out one time to see like basically what it would do. Sad said that's actually a really nice feature. J35 said, not gonna lie, that's sick. I mean, that's just crazy that you can share your screen with a live, like you can share your computer screen. You can't do that with ChatGPT. Like I don't think I can share my screen and talk to ChatGPT's voice feature. Like, let's go over to their app. Hold up, let's pull it up. Okay, so here's chat. Let's install the latest update. All right. So what's this here? Is this it? Nah. That's like for like. And then plus. Yeah, no. They do not have it. All right, let's see what cursor's doing. Oh wow, that looks terrible. What our users say. Guys, we need reviews so we can have a section that says what our users say. Alright, that was not good, because I actually know what it needs. What it needs, so that was AI, and this is why humans are still better than AI. Take a look at the homepage. What you did was not good. You just put a bunch of random sections that have very little content on them. I want more text, and I want more sections that are compact and modern, and I want a more complete feeling site. That means that you're gonna have to change the layout and the theme and some of the other parts about the website a lot, and it also means that you're gonna have to create a lot of text content. So think deeply about it and take your time and really construct a really solid landing page or home page. That's what it needed. And that's why they call me King Vibe. All right, Sad just gave us our first review. Sad, is it okay to put you in there? Pixelated said, any tips for UI UX design when vibe coding? Yeah, I would say like use Tailwind. I would say in modern applications, Tailwind. If you're using like Next, just Tailwind is great. And then also another thing that we could try, and I'd share, is doing a component library on it, and that would make the UX probably even better. I think the web design for Appsy is pretty good. Yeah, you've done a good job. All right, Tad said we can put his name on the site for review. Has anybody else downloaded and used the app and have a review that we could put on the site? If you guys have been watching the stream and you haven't already liked or subscribed, make sure you do so now. We've made a ton of progress. I have an idea, guys. What if instead of oh wow, I just had a great idea. What if instead of making this just like an information website, what if we made it actually like fully functional and made it so that not only we had a app on the App Store, but we also had an app on a web application, and then we could integrate it with Stripe as soon as tonight. If we really grinded on it, we could build this in one night probably. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick because I think that's a great idea. So I need to lock in. I need to go get a cup of coffee or something. I might have to get a cup of coffee, guys. All right, I'm back. Sad just made a really good point. He said, he reminded me that Expo already has a web compiler. We gotta check this out. All right, we're launching the web. It says the same issue. J35 said maybe use a pre-built SaaS boilerplate and implement the application behind that boilerplate would save time. Yeah, I think that I want to see what this looks like first before we try anything else. What? That wasn't what I wanted you to do. Alright, fresh chat. Cursor was geeking on us. Fix. Good prompt. It's gonna fix it. Oh, here it is. It's launching it. Oh, my, okay, it's running 8081. My Safari doesn't work for some reason. Or not my Safari, Chrome. Or, actually, never mind. That's just the app. Why is nothing loading in? Oh, server stopped? Oh, no. Guys, imagine, so you know the VO feature that we were looking at with being able to talk to that like AI assistant while sharing the screen? So something that I just thought about is what's going to happen when they start releasing computers that have that built in like to their fundamental operating system. Like it's not just like some like web app that you're using, or it'll probably be like OpenAI could have like just like a really good app on Mac and probably do all that, but I can't see how Apple wouldn't, you know, build their next, you know, not their next, but, you know, let's say 10 years down the line, why would I not be able to, like, just have pretty much like a fully, like an AI computer? I don't know. Things are getting weird. Hypertech, what's up? J35 said currently just waiting for Meta to drop something big. You think that's who's gonna release something? They assembled the AI Avengers. That is Mark Zuckerberg out there. He's real life Iron Man. Robodex, I like that idea. Loading. Speaking of which, I just want to try something. Oh my gosh, my Chrome is back. Guys, my Chrome has just been down on this computer for some reason for so long, but I guess it's back now, finally. Wow, I missed my Chrome. I was using Safari. I don't know what happened. Hold up now. All right, we gotta stop using GPT-5. We gotta use that 4.1 Opus to the max. Let's go. Opus will be able to get this right. Let's see. Hypertech said that he's been trying to learn a specific programming language that could do multiple things like app development, game cheat development, and actual software stuff. What do you recommend? What is it? Zen browser is better than all browsers? Zen browser? Never heard of it. Let's check it out. What is this? Zen browser. Welcome to a calmer internet. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Download, let's go. Who said that in the chat? Who recommended this? J35 has not missed. All right, chat, I got a secret for everybody. In about 2 weeks, I'm gonna be going and training for a triathlon. Not training, I'm gonna actually competing in it. We've been going crazy lately in the gym. You gotta stay fit, stay healthy. Keep the body healthy, keep the mind healthy, keep the money healthy, and you'll be good. All right, Zen. Yes, I want to open it. Welcome to a calmer internet. This looks awesome. Oh, wow. Nah. Oh, they want to... All right. Welcome to Zen. All right. Where are the dev tools at, though? If I hit F12 and we get like dev tools. Oh, shoot. We got some dev tools, guys. Oh, wow. All right, folks. J35 with the shout out. What's, wait, Hypertech, I saw that. Alright, so I can do like, oh wow, okay. So I can do like Instagram. And then, like go, and then how do I make it a bookmark? Bookmark tab. All right. I'll have to dig in more into this later. Guys, we're gonna get to 1,400 subscribers tonight. Check this out. We got 1,387 right now, and we're only 13 away. They're only 13 subs away. I told myself that I would stream until we got to 1,400. And then keep streaming, but you know, I think we get 1,400 tonight probably. Let's see. Let me get this right. $1,387. Guys, I have great news. We have 26 users on GoalPost so far. We've got 26 so far. Okay, I think we found the error of why it's going on. Okay. Still having white screen, but it's all right. Any paid for the IAPs? So right now we've kind of done like a soft launch. So our IAPs actually aren't even connected right now. So there's enough free features that like it's not that big of a deal. Like I don't think people are like maxing out the free features. But once we get the IAP hooked up, we're gonna start basically making that more apparent to upgrade. Because right now you literally can't even subscribe. But yeah, 26 downloads isn't bad though. For like about 26 hours. It's more than if I was just like... The problem is I don't really want a ton right now. Oh my gosh, it's still not working. Killing me. Hypertech said, what are you trying to build? Well, right now we're just trying to get the web version of the React Native build working, because then we're going to be able to see whether or not that looks good and is ready for launch, or if we have to like build like some different type of next site to make it look better. J35 said, maybe for app security and fixes, you can also check CodeRabbit. CodeRabbit. Let's check it out. CodeRabbit. Look at this. Wait. All right. Number one sponsored, Claude. Claude's spending the most money right now. Replic's up there too. I heard that Replit is getting up there. All right. Fine-tune code reviews using auto learnings and user feedback and configurable instructions. All right, hold on, gang. If you guys are watching and haven't already liked and subscribed, make sure you like and sub. Oh shoot, it's working. Guys, it's working. It's working. Oh, it looks so bad. All right, you guys think this is good? That looks terrible. Yeah, I don't know how I'm feeling, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's because all the apps use, no, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, I mean, I don't think that, I mean, let's just confirm that it still looks good on the app. Let's just make sure. All right, I just did. I'm over in Code Rabbit right now on the side. I need to like complete my sign up and everything though. All right. Here's what we're looking at, guys. This is Code Rabbit J35 with the call out here. All right, so you can see that here's the API, the app, core, database, and the website. Let's have it click the website, and then it says review language, English, tone instructions, enable early access feature, enable free to. All right, let's just do apply changes and go. All right, look at what somebody in the chat just did. All right, so this is his website, and he just put this in there. AppSy community support, featuring innovative apps from our vibrant community of developers, and then my live stream right here. That's awesome. Vibe community creator. Dang. All right. Nice. This is pretty cool. The AppSy Vibe community. All right. Wait, why does it just take me to the settings? Oh, get the Code Rabbit IDE extension. What the I don't know. I'm going to have to take a look at this off stream as well. All right, guys, I got some bad news. I did not like what we did with this, with updating it. Why can't I go up more than this? This was not, surely not the last. All right, we'll just revert. Code Rabbit. Okay, so this is essentially AI that's strictly focused on like reviewing existing code. That's cool. All right, we need to get back to the website because, oh, also, let's check something though. Need to check Google Play Console, see if we've heard anything back from them. Nope. Nothing yet. App Store Connect, let's see if our analytics are in yet. They've been updated. So we had 18 downloads yesterday. I can see the back end on my end, and we have 26 users that have downloaded. If you guys are watching and you haven't already downloaded and you're on iOS, make sure you go download and try it out. I'm just curious, out of everybody in the chat, like just like toss in, are you on iOS or Android? Because that would give me a good idea of whether or not, like what, I don't even know what the statistics are on that. Virtual Code said hello, what's up? All right, so let's get back to what we were doing, which was essentially updating the site, because I don't think that web view looks very good. So I just don't want to go that direction anymore. If you guys are watching the stream, you still haven't liked or subscribed, make sure you do so. We're getting to 1,400 subscribers tonight. That's the plan. That's not even the plan, that's the goal. That is literally the goal, and we're going to get to the goal. Alright, there's way too many tasks open here. Alright, we chilling. So let's get back to the website. See where we're at there. That was a long, we were off working on that for too long. It was like 30 minutes of our time to see if we could get that working. I guess that was worth it though, because what if if the mobile site using React Native looks better, then you would probably want to go with that. I actually want it to be functional. Take a look at the website and help me think through how we could update the website to where it would be more... I'm not sure. Let me think about it for a minute. Oh, Zuhaib, welcome back. What's up? So yeah, so the app is live. We've got 26 users right now. We did a soft launch, so we haven't been pushing any of the marketing yet because I was a little bit surprised that we even got approved by Apple so fast. So what we want to do is we want to wait until the app is accepted on Android as well, which I'm expecting to take about another week. And then during this next week, we're going to be building the marketing strategy. So Zuhaib, I don't know if you're in our Discord, but I dropped a PDF in there that's basically makes up our marketing strategy. Take a look at the pricing page. Would you please make sure that it reflects the actual pricing that you see in the app? And would you also please improve the styling of this page? The page should be 100 VH on all screen sizes, and it just needs to be more modern. All right, before we get hit with the $75 per, actually, just for the throwback, let's do Claude Opus. Rest in peace. Nah, Zuhaib, just 26 users. The IAP isn't hooked up yet for the app. If you go to like the subscribe screen in the app, you can't actually subscribe because it's not hooked up. So I was just kind of caught off guard that Apple accepted it so fast. Like I was thinking that we'd have more time to like test bugs and stuff, but Apple just like accepted it on the second try. I was expecting like another week, and I had one more step for the subscriptions. So we haven't gotten any feedback about the subscriptions, but the thing is we haven't started any marketing at all. And starting next week is we're gonna pour a ton of money into marketing. So this next week, what you're gonna see is a lot of work on marketing. And the first thing that we're doing is updating the website because we need a really good landing page for our website if we ever want to have people get sent to our website first. If you guys are just tuning in now, we're working on the GoalPost website. The app's been launched on the iOS App Store. Zuhaib said he's exciting for the marketing part. Yeah, we're gonna work on that tonight. I'm gonna be live for quite a while tonight, just because I need to grind. So won't be getting much sleep tonight. So I'm gonna be streaming for a while. We're grinding tonight, everyone. It did make the pricing better. Make it more compact and make it so that it's more visible on one screen size. It's too big on some screen sizes. Junia, what's up? How's it going? Welcome to the channel. Opus, that was a miss. We just paid $75 per million tokens for this. Let's switch it to 5. See what 5 does. Or Opus may get it. Who knows? Take a look at this and try again. Totally rethink your approach. Junia asked, what app are we making? We've been working on GoalPost for the last 12 days, and right now we're working on the website, but the app is live on the iOS store, currently pending on Android. It's a productivity app. You can kind of read some of this content and get the gist. All right, while this is working, I'm going to use the bathroom real quick, but I'll be right back. If you guys haven't already liked the video or subscribed, make sure you do so. Gonna be going for probably like 3 more hours, so it's gonna be a long one tonight, guys. We're grinding tonight. It's a requirement. We can't mess around. It's go time. All right, I'm back. Most popular, 49. Oh my gosh. All right, what does it look like on like larger screens? Oh, that's fine. And like really small. That's good. I like that. That looks pretty good. All right, support. Take a look at the support page. Could you make it feel like more of a full page? Right now, it's very incomplete. Got the phishing emails. Take a look at the features page now and make it way better. Look at the app and make sure you account for all features, and then help me implement really cool SVGs and animations in this page. Make it flow. Make it really super cool. Really super cool. All this is just a big learning process. That's all this is. One big learning process. All right, so get premium, how it works. I mean, I think this is like... All right, so let's do take a look now at the how it works page and update that as well. Please now create a blog page. Put the nav link in the nav bar. Also, make the mobile menu better and make there be 3 blogs on the blog page. Robidex says that he's watching me vibe code while he's vibe coding his app. I still don't understand what your app's for, if I'm being honest. A form builder platform? Create professional forms? There's no templates. Please now actually create the blogs and the blog pages themselves. Also, make sure that there's a roots.ts file in the constants directory, and please create an object that we can put all the links in and then use typing for our nav links instead of hard coding them. Yup. Fix the error. Please now update the blog pages themselves, write the content for them, and make the styling way better. It should be a long blog. Do your research and integrate SEO best practices. Find keywords to target in your blogs. Alright, let's try a different camera view. Hold up. We're gonna try a little different view real quick, guys. Alright, hold on tight. Are you guys ready for this? It's gonna be crazy. Wait, hold up. Okay, wait, hold up. Have faith. Wait, no, not that. There we go. Alright, this is kind of cool. What do you guys think of this camera angle? Alright, what do you guys think about that? Oh my gosh, that's terrible. They're always trying to get me on that max plan. Take a look at the blog pages themselves. Fix the styling on each page. And also just like hard code a page, please, for each blog. And make the styling consistent for each page. Also, do more research to get a better content for the blog, and also keyword targeting. Uh-oh. All right, yeah, it's good. Okay. Cool. I just got some. I ordered some DoorDash. We're DoorDashing tonight. I got 10 minutes left to double dash, guys. We going double dash? If we had like 70 watchers, it'd be double dash type night, but I don't think we have 70. I think we got like, what do we got? We got 13 right now. Oh, but we did, we're up, way up in subscribers. I didn't even notice that. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get to 1,400. If we get to 100 watchers tonight, then I'm gonna have to like double dash next time or something. I don't know. I think technically the highest traffic period for streaming is like, I want to say, let's see here. What is the most popular time where someone would get the most views? All right, prime time, 6 p.m. to 9. What is the absolute best time? I think it's at 8. Wait, 4 p.m.? Oh yeah, let's see this. Let's learn this. Interesting. There we go. Claude Sonnet 4 never did us wrong. Alright, cool. So this is going to be part of our marketing strategy, guys. J35 said the AI coach is also good at writing code. The Linux thing saw the algorithm. Everybody V's in the chat. I'm vibing. I just said V in the chat if you ain't a bot. Are there any cool projects that you guys are working on? Drop some in the chat. GoalPost clone. GoalPost clone. AI marketing assistant that you can chat with and directly publish ads to your ad manager account. Wow, dang. Yeah, the AI marketing is going to be really interesting to see, that's for sure. I'm checking on my DoorDash. We're going for a while tonight. We're really just getting started for tonight. I know we're going to be grinding. Alright, DoorDash gets here in the next 5 minutes. Cool. Got some Panda Express. Alright, let's just build a bunch of blogs. Now let me create hard code pages for each blog to improve it. Okay. Yarn. Wonder how many like ESL lint errors we have. Let's check. Oh. Alright, we got some. Fix what's causing the build to fail. Oh, no. I wanted to turn up the music and I... Oh, no, we're good. We're good, we're good. I still got it. Let me know if the music is too loud, guys. I just turned it up a little bit. If you guys are watching, you haven't already introduced yourself in chat, do so. We got 16 bots in here. We got live bodies. What's good? Your app session timer thing would be so cool on Apple Vision Pro. Yeah, Apple Watch too. It just feels good. It's 7:42 p.m. and we're just getting started tonight. I'm telling you what. Just getting started. Sometimes you just gotta stop life in its tracks. You gotta grind for a bit. Oh. What is going on? All right, let's check how many users we got on the app. All right, looks like DoorDash is here. I'll be right back, guys. All right, we're back, gang. Back. All right, guys, we're gonna watch a in video, like basically a tutorial of how to use in video while I eat. We're gonna see if we can figure out how to create like TikToks from in video AI tutorial TikTok creator. All right, hold up. All right, so let's pull this up. I want to do like TikTok generator. All right. Let's watch this guy, Dan Kieft.
Testing out every single AI video generator that's on the market right now, and in this video I will tell you exactly which tool to use what for. I found out that every AI video generator excels at different things. It's not just VO3 that you want to use for all of your projects. That's also the most expensive one, so yeah. I will also show you the platform that I use to have access to most of the AI video generators that I mentioned in this video, all in one place, one subscription. We're starting off with Halo O2, and this is perfect for image to video use cases. It's currently ranked second in the leaderboard when it comes to image to video. To demonstrate how it works, I have this image right here and we're gonna drop it into Halo O2. Now for this, I'll be using a prompt where the camera is beginning with a tight side shot and the blacksmith is holding the glowing molten sword just above the forge. Sparks drift upwards as he slowly lifts the blade higher with a focused intent. So let's put this inside of Halo, and then we can select a duration of 6 seconds with 1080p, or you can do 10 seconds with 687p. So currently 10-second video with
this is like the edge of AI, I think. Once they get these like image and video generators down, it's gonna change everything.
Now that gave us this result, and it is quite good. We see the sparks flying up. It's not quite flying up from the sword, but from the fire behind it, and he's looking at it intensively. So this works best with image guiding.
That is not good.
If you already have an image that you want to animate, then Halo.
Well, I guess it is
perfect.
exactly like the image.
Let's try it one more time, but now let's enable this sound. Everyone seems to be wanting to add sound to their videos. Currently this is only possible or best through VO3, but you can also through OpenArt use this auto sound feature. Now let's hit create again, and now we have this sound added to it. Honestly, it's not quite good. For that, you want to use VO if you really want to add in the sound. But let's take another look at Halo. I got this image that I want to test out in Halo, and for the prompt, I'm going to keep it super simple. I'm going to say an astronaut stands on a rocky moon surrounded by floating space rocks. The astronaut helmet glows with a green light, showing a galaxy inside. The astronaut is slowly lifting their hand, reaching out, so kind of like reaching out like that. The camera is moving around him. The whole scene is kind of like mysterious. So let's create it, and here's what we got. Honestly, this one is fire. He's reaching out, kind of like in a movie, like grab my hand, I am safe. The space green helmet resembles somewhat of a galaxy, and the camera is rotating around him. Honestly, this is one of my favorite generations from Halo that I've tested out. Let's also test out the text to video generation on Halo. So for that, we click on text, then we select Halo right here, and now we can enter in our prompt. For this, I'm gonna do this about a young monk that is sweeping the leaves off the pavement. So what I have in mind is I have this video, 6 seconds, 1080p, and now let's create. Honestly, I think text to video is not where this model shines. He's just holding it with one hand, which is quite unusual. At least that's not how I would do this myself. Yeah, it looks glitchy in my opinion. So for Halo, you primarily want to use image to video. In terms of pricing for Halo, for a 6-second video, you are charged around 73 cents. Now for a 10-second video, it will be $1.45. That is not the cheapest model that we have available. In terms of where it shines, it's image to video, but keep in mind the generation time on Halo is, in my opinion, quite long. So if you want to have something quick, you might want to use another model, and if you want to have something cheaper, then you should also look to the next one. Moving on, we got Seedance, and Seedance has been recently released, and it's currently doing quite well on the Hooking Board leaderboard. So on both text to video and image to video, it is ranking number 1. But let's put it to the test. So with Seedance, it is known for multi-shot capabilities. That's something unique.
Yeah, maybe I could look on Fiverr to see if somebody could do that.
I have this prompt.
That's a good idea.
Here. So I've structured it as 3 different shots. So I have shot number 1, shot number 2, and shot number 3. And with that, I have like 3 different angles that I want to have this video orientated in. So now I've copied this prompt, and here I select Seedance 1.0, then I paste my prompt in, and now we want to use the Pro model. You don't want to use the Lite model, it's just a waste of credits, just always use the Pro when it...
Alright. I think that's a good idea, Fiverr. Check out some prices. $15 for a short. $15 per short. What do you guys think of that? Somebody said Kling is the best. Who's Kling? I don't know. All right. Random thought. I think that the marketing is more important than the app functionality. All right, let's get back to the grind. Here's what I wonder. What if you had like motivational clips? The marketing budget's gonna be about like 10K, but that's gonna be over like a period of time. Like we're gonna start like $100 a day, and then we'll increase. But I'm new to like this level of marketing, so. Don't fail me. All right, I got my fortune, guys. It says, with luck on your side, now is the time to make a bold move. That's my fortune. That's a good fortune. I don't even know which one's the camera. Hold up. You got like multiple cameras here. Oh, it's this one. With luck on your side, now is the time to make a bold move. Somebody just asked me in the chat, do you have a full-time job that's funding this? No, I did startups. Yeah. Got some money, some capital to invest. DS35 said that Archon OS beta released. Archon OS, what's that? Archon OS. Yeah, what's that? Alright, here we go. Pro clip libraries. Wikipedia Commons.
Mijo, it's your abuelita. I'm at Target. Have you seen the dorm day deals? 30% off bedding, 20% off storage. Hey, they even have microwaves. Are they feeding you at that school? Besitos.
When home's far, Target's close. Shop dorm day deals now through August 16th at Target. Terms and conditions apply.
You know what people probably do? Alright, I'm gonna show you guys something cool. Alright, so I've been holding out on all of you. I haven't been sharing one of the best tools for this. All right, so look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see Elon Musk interview. All right, his playlist interview.
You
Says-
tweet a lot.
I use my tweets to express myself.
Tweet a lot.
All right, so let's just take this, drop her in. Make the most motivational and viral clips, and then you can set it to like under 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna do the whole video. So this is a software that I use called Opus Clip. You'd say on it 6 minutes. But this will make a bunch of TikToks basically. Oh, this
Tesla
is a good
stock
one
is
too.
crashing. The headlines say Elon's empire is.
Wow. Really, literally
60
on the
minutes.
Elon Musk video, they're throwing a hateful Elon Musk video in there. If you guys are watching, you haven't already liked and subscribed, make sure you do so. Alright, 3 minutes left on this. So basically, Opus, you can create the TikToks. All right, so I'm thinking that this could basically pull in super motivational clips, and then if we can do that, then you know we can think about a next step in the process. All right, let's see what clips it made.
His war zone tweeting drew fire
hell no.
when out of the blue in August he tweeted, quote, "Am considering taking Tesla private at 420. Funding secured." The SEC disputed that claim and charged him with securities fraud. The case was settled with Musk agreeing that his communications relating to the company, including Twitter, would be overseen by his board. His war zone
You tweet a lot.
I use my tweets to express myself. Some people use their hair. I use Twitter.
Well, but you use your tweeting to kind of get back at critics.
Rarely.
You kind of have little wars with the press.
Twitter is a war zone. If somebody's going to jump in the war zone, it's like, okay, you're in the arena. Let's go.
You tweet a lot.
I use my tweets to express myself. Some people use their hair. I use Twitter.
Well, but you use your tweeting to kind
Nah, that's not very good. Kind of disappointed.
The only tweets that would have to be, say, reviewed would be if a
Like, how are people making the TikToks where it's like a literal edit of a, you know, like a, Like, let's say it's an Elon Musk clip of somebody, you know, doubting him, and then it's like him launching his rockets. You know what I mean? I'm just really trying to think through how we're going to market this, guys. How do I contact the influencers, though? And also, I still need to make some type of content, like for the GoalPost social medias. This is the motivational entrepreneur. Yeah, this is gonna make a viral TikTok, guys. This guy typing on his phone. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, that'll be junk media. Oh my gosh, no. What kind of bunny trail are we down right now, guys? Yo, bro, turn on the stream, bro. Yo, hop on Discord, bro. Hop on Discord. I've got to work on the marketing. I could use some of your ideas, bro. Alright. Alright, bet. See ya. Wait, hold up. My brother's calling me. I'll be right back. Please. Alright, see ya. Hey, what's up? What's good? Yeah. Sure. What time? Alright, I'll come over there before. Alright, sounds good. Will do. I'm working on something right now. Can I, I'll be over there soon though. Alright, bye. The gang is getting called, yeah. Alright, hold on, let's create an account.
We're for the ones who pay attention to every little detail. The ones who fuss, tinker, and sweat the small stuff. Because you know the tiniest thing can make the biggest difference when it comes to keeping business moving. We get it.
I literally have YouTube Premium. How am I getting an ad? Hold on, guys. I'm setting up my TikTok creator account. So much to do. So much to do. Here we go. All right. So, welcome to TikTok One Creator Marketplace. Get started. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. account's been created.
This message is brought to you by Apple Card. Did you know Apple Card is designed to help you pay off your balance faster with smart payment suggestions? And because fees don't help you, Apple Card doesn't have.
Alright, we're loaded up, guys. Sorry about the wait. So here what we can see, okay, how about AI writes you really good scripts and you make TikToks using that? Yeah, I think Life of Vibe, we just gotta tune in, or does it tune in to us? Facts. No, J35, that's a good point. That's definitely a possibility, that's an option. I'll definitely try that. But let's check out this, since we've got some sunk costs in here. And also, just an FYI, I actually have to go help my brother out with something, so I'll have to head out here soon. Probably about 15 more minutes or so. Let's get to the bottom of this, though. Alright, so, like, this is just some, oh my gosh, I have to verify. Looks like we gotta verify again. Nice. Alright, it's a huge verification process. Okay. Alright, well, we won't be able to look at that on stream. Sydney Sweeney. Yeah, it would be awesome. Sounds great. App is still suspended by Google and Android here. Pretty frustrating. I mean, I think that, you know, let's just get the website launched. You know, we made some good updates to that. Looks more full. Just make sure that's up and running and live. That looks good. Let's run the build. I think the build's going too, so I think this is ready to go. Yeah, it's definitely ready to go. Alright, so this should be... Yep. Alright. Honestly, don't even know where this is, I don't know where this is hosted. But we made some good improvements here. We'll have to, like, take out some of this stuff. But let's take it out now. Take out the part in the website about the user feedback, as we don't have any official user feedback or reviews yet. If you guys have been tuning in, you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. We're getting close to 1,400. All right. What is going on? Oh my goodness. Man, sometimes Cursor struggles with the whole Git repository thing. Check out the app built. Yep. All right, so GoalPostAI.app. We have a features page now, which just has some features on it, some animations and whatnot, how it works. You have a pricing page, blog page that you'll need some images and some actual better blogs, support page. And then the home page has more content on it. And we took out the user feedback. Actually, no, it's still there, but I think that's pulling now. All right, well, guys, I have to sign off because my brother needs my help, and he lives close to me, so I got to head out. But have a good night. Sorry.